Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our Nurse Note template. A Nurse Note template is a skeleton for your nurse notes that includes pre-made sections, headings, and formatting to save you time and keep your notes consistently structured. This template can be used for all sorts of nurse notes, including progress notes, SOAP notes, FDAR notes, incident notes, narrative notes, or any other type of routine, concise patient note. Let's run through the different sections of this template now. First, we have the patient information header to include all of your patient's important details. The diagnosis and reason for admission sections are designed to be concise summaries of your patient's chief complaint, separating their overall diagnosis from the specific reasons for their admission. The body of the note can be taken in whichever style you prefer. Keep your note concise and stick to the facts, but ensure you include any relevant details on your patient. Add your name, date, and signature at the bottom of the template and ensure you store the note securely. To start using this template, you can either download the PDF version or use this template and many others from within Carepatron. I'll show you how to do this now. First, select your patient from your client list. Then click Create Note. To select a template for your note, click this button to search our entire template library. Type in the keyword for the template you want to use. Here it is. Just click the result and start writing under the heading or subheading you'd like to use. When you're done, click Publish.